Okay, Cooking Couture here today with your baking tip for today. Actually, it's baking confession time. I tried something new today and it didn't quite work out the way I wanted it to. First of all, I used the pan that I told everybody not to use in the oven that it didn't match with because I was rushing and I had 2 cakes to do. So it fell a little, and you see it really should be about 1 inch higher. I added a whole bunch of stuff. I decided I wanted to do a chocolate chip pound cake with pecans, and I added an extra stick of butter. But when you add anything that's liquid, you have to adjust the recipe. And so you can't just throw stuff in there. And I let it cook a little too long, and with the pan wasn't my friend, the electric oven wasn't my friend, and the chocolate chips weren't my friend. They are a little hard. They kind of burn. And then I'm shrunk. Oh well, it happens. I can make an amazing bread pudding or a parfait or like an ice cream dessert, or we can just eat it.